Breaking news that's coming in. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh has tendered an apology to Vivek Doval, who's the son of NSA Ajit Doval. The apology comes after a defamation case was filed by Vivek Doval against Jairam Ramesh. So Ramesh has in fact said in court, and I'm quoting here, "I gave the statement against Vivek Doval and made several allegations in the heat of the moment as it was the time of elections. I should have verified it," unquote. This is a statement in the court over the defamation case. Vivek Doval, we are told, has now accepted the apology tendered by the Congress MP and has agreed to close the defamation case against him. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on this. Anisha, sued after Jairam Ramesh had made certain allegations against Vivek Doval. This immediately went to the courts, and now we understand the defamation case has been closed with an official apology.
Well, yes, Akshita. Remember, this was based on an article in a magazine which was followed up by a press conference of the Congress party where Jairam Ramesh had made certain allegations against Vivek Doval and his companies. This was in January 2019, and the criminal defamation case was filed immediately after that. Now Jairam Ramesh has given a statement of apology, saying that the 17 January 2019 press conference, in which certain statements had been made, were made on the basis of the article that had been published in the magazine. But he has admitted that that perhaps some independent verification may have been in order. But because the general election were closed and the questions raised in the article seemed appropriate for highlighting in the public, because it was election time, he had gone overboard in making insinuations against the Doval family. So that is why he's given his apology. And he's also said that he is requesting the Congress to remove that press conference from the press releases on the website. Now, Vivek Doval has accepted this apology and has agreed to close the case against Jairam Ramesh. However, the case against the magazine is set to continue.
Okay, so Jairam Ramesh issuing an apology there to Vivek Doval in court. He said, "I gave the statement against Vivek Doval, made several allegations in the heat of the moment because of the election time. I should have verified it." Vivek Doval has accepted this apology. The defamation case has been closed. Anisha, thank you for all the details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.